Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about new AI image generator, Imagine Anything AI. Now before we get started, this is going to be a free trial. If you want to pay for the paid subscriptions, these are going to be the prices. So we have the free trial for a month, which gives us 10 free images per month, generate 10 free images per month, and promptly writer. For the premium, these are going to be the perks, and for the logs, these are going to be the perks. Anyway, guys, this is going to be the link. Imagine Anything AI or Imagine Anything that AI. Now, once we're here, you're going to notice that there's going to be a lot, and I mean a lot of images. So once you're here, you can download anything. For example, you want this awesome Santa Claus. If you click on it, you're going to see the prompt. You're going to see the tags, the category, the version that has been used, which is Flux Pro, which is the best model as of now. License is going to be right here, and basically if you want to download it, simply click on that button right there, and without no hassle at all, you can download it on your computer. Easy as that. Below, you're going to see some more recommended with the same style that you're looking for. Going back from the dashboard right here, on the right side, you're going to see newest popularity or likes. Now for this one, these are going to be filters. Along with this one, food, cartoons, watercolor, vintage. So you have a filter for popularity. You have filters for category. Pretty awesome, right? I'm going to go back to newest here and go back to old. Liking the video so far? Let me know that I'm on the right track. If we're getting value from this, go ahead and tap that like button. It means a lot. Now let's just say you don't like using filter. You're a guy that goes straight to the point. I'm going to type in here AI cartoon, click enter. So everything under AI cartoon would be under here. As you can see right there. Those are the ways on how you use search method in Imagine Anything AI. Again, if you want to download them without even going by clicking it, simply click on that button right there and you'll be downloaded with no problem at all. Perfect, right? And now once you want to generate some image now, simply click on that generate image in the top section, and then you'll go right here. As any other AI image generation, you can have your prompt. Right here, you have refined prompt, advanced, and basically generate. Those are basically simple. And there's right here, by default, our tool uses the Flux model for image generation. But you can export other models such as Stable Diffusion and ideogram in advanced options. That means, as of now, it's using the Flux option. If you want to change the model being used, simply click on Advanced. So you can choose Flux, Stable, and ideogram. Steps right here, guidance and interval. I'm going to stay at Flux. So let's try generating something here. I'm going to type here, an anime boy going to school. So it'll be easy as that. I'm still going to go for Flux here. Now, since I have used anime, I'm going to type anime style here to further evaluate and support that I'm looking for some anime. Simply click on generate right now. I'll get back to you once it's here. Enjoying the content? Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Your support really means a lot to me. So welcome back to the video. This is going to be our result. As you can see, that's going to be my username. And now this is going to be the enlarged image of our creations. As you can see right there, there are 0 to minimal errors for this one. I don't see any distortions, especially on the background. And that is going to be anime for you. If you want to zoom it in just a little bit and just appreciate that bag. That is really awesome. And even the zippers are perfect. There isn't also distortions in the bag. And pretty honestly, the leaves, the trees are perfect. Now, the thing here is, you cannot really look on your creations. You can also see them or only see them on the generated library. For the community, there is until not a section here where you can check your gallery, your generated images for yourself. So once you generate an image, it will go straight to the community section. That's the only thing that I can share here for now. Anyway, going back on generative image, I want to expand some more examples here. Going back on advanced, if you choose Stable Diffusions, the choices here, all the settings will be different. Same goes with ideogram. So for ideogram, you can choose style type, may it be anime, render, realistic, auto, and general. So I'm going to go back on Flux. How about, since we have tried Flux, let's go for ideogram. I'm going to go for realistic. I'm going to go with this one. A simple, a woman in a park. Also, I'm going to click Refine Prompt. So Refine Prompt gives us the option to comprehend. Give us a very comprehensive prompt for better results. Easy as that. So click on Generate. I'll see you once it's here. And now this is going to be the example for the lady reading a book. If I zoom in right there, I want to point out first the hands. Because of my experience in AI generations, the hands get always distorted or have some error. With this one, I really see no errors. I go back on the hair right here. I want to highlight those little hair that are up in order. Those are really hard to achieve in any AI. It makes it more look realistic. So with this AI giving that effect, that is really awesome. To be honest, guys, the thing I'm looking for here are distortions, and I'm seeing 0 distortions here. Perfect, right? Now if I click on this one, it will go straight on the landing page from earlier. Liking the video so far, let me know that I'm on the right track. If we're getting value from this, go ahead and tap that like button. It means a lot. Let me just try this one out there, and it will go straight right here. If I refresh this page, this result will be gone. Because again, there is no section for generative images for now. Anyway, guys, you're going to notice a pencil icon right there. If I click on the pencil icon, it's going to give me the option to resize or basically change something here. Let me just resize the theater. Wide, tall, or square. Let me go for tall. Let me just fix this one right here. Click Create, and there we have it. I can undo and redo with these options. But I'm going to click on Save Now. So this has been saved. I can simply now download this one as it is. Go back on the image and everything, and you'll see right there, there's our image. Right? Now, once we're here, I just want to copy this prompt because I want to see something. Going back on generative image, paste the same prompt. For now, I'm going to go Stable Diffusion. I'm not going to touch anything here. Just for now, click Generate, and I'll see you once it's here. And this is going to enlarge video or enlarge photo of our results. Of this is going to be an oil painting-like style. As mentioned earlier, I'm looking for any distortions. Even though this is a painting, they may be distortions, but I really don't see any. The fit is right there, that's given, that's a painting, but the hair, the neck, the nose, the eyes, everything is almost as good as perfect. The books are there, the seat in the park, maple leaves on the background, people on the background, cars are here. And that's it. If you want to compare it from the ideogram from earlier, this is going to be ideogram. Alright, let me just pull up this one. So those are going to be the differences. Now, if you're looking for an oil painting-like design, go for Stable Diffusion. If you're looking for a much more realistic style and a comprehensive choices, go for ideogram. Anyway, above everything, go for Flux. If you want the best one, go always for Flux. Anyway, that being said, we've covered everything. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.